Right, that sounds nice there. Let's just try a few things. Right, now another thing I like is that one there, but I don't think it's as strong as this, but that doesn't mean I can't use this little change later. Was it that one? The sub on this is taking away from this, and it's sort of somewhat slowing it down a little bit, because this is overpowering, this slower beat, the offbeat, is overpowering this sort of more driving pattern. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to just lower the sub here. Right, the other thing I want to do is just turn that kick up a touch. And this is a B. It's just harmonizing. This A is harmonizing nicely with this E. This F, well, let's hear what it sounds like with G. I think this one will sound nice going down, maybe. Go down a bit more. Maybe there's too many. Maybe that. This is why it's a good idea to always test what you're doing, or try new things, because you might find something that's better. That works. Let's take a bit more low end off it. Let's listen to it in context. Tracks. I'm going to change it to a hall instead, and I'm going to bring up the feedback so that it fills in the gaps a bit more. I'm also going to use the LFO to pan left and right a bit, and let's open up this filter a touch more. I feel like it. So I'm getting that actual modulation. So there's a modulation happening here. It's that filter cut off, this sine wave style. I've opened it up more so it opens up more when it opens. Let's see what it sounds like with the rest of these playing. Now, the reason why I've wanted to do this is because all along I've kind of been listening to this like bridge, and I've been like, I need to fill it with something. get away with not having to do anything, but I'm still going to go through each of the channels as if that wasn't the issue, so you can kind of see how you would fix it if you are having those issues. But for example, if this section was really a lot louder, I would go and have a little look in this section, and I would have a little look to go, right, okay, well, there's 4 extra intro plugs added in there. I assume they probably have something to do with it, right? Because it's very obvious that that section, certain things come in. Now, I'll go in and check to see which of those elements are causing those issues, but